The washer fluid reservoir on a Volvo S80 II, 2006 to 2016, is located in the engine bay on the left side, driver's side in left-hand drive models. Look for a translucent blue plastic tank near the battery and air filter box. Its capacity is about 5.5 liters. The reservoir is easily identifiable by its blue cap, often marked with a windshield wiper symbol. You'll also see the washer pump motor attached to the tank. The tank itself has minimum and maximum level markings to guide filling. First, park your vehicle on level ground and open the hood to access the engine bay. Next, locate the washer fluid reservoir, which is typically a translucent plastic tank on the left side of the engine bay. Check the fluid level by looking at the markings on the reservoir. Ensure the level is between the minimum and maximum marks. Unscrew the blue cap on the reservoir by turning it counterclockwise. Slowly pour washer fluid into the reservoir, avoiding overfilling to prevent spills or pump damage. Use a funnel for precision. Finally, securely tighten the cap by turning it clockwise to prevent leaks. Use a high-quality washer fluid that is suitable for all seasons to ensure effective cleaning year-round. Volvo recommends using Volvo-approved or equivalent fluids, such as isopropyl alcohol-based solutions that prevent freezing and provide streak-free cleaning. When mixing your own fluid, use distilled water instead of tap water to avoid mineral deposits that can clog the system. Low washer fluid levels significantly impair visibility, particularly during inclement weather conditions like rain or snow. Without adequate fluid, wipers struggle to clear debris, water, bugs, and dirt from the windshield, creating streaks and reduced clarity. Research indicates that poor wiper performance, often due to low or inadequate washer fluid, contributes to 10 to 15% of accidents occurring in wet weather. This is especially critical in the Volvo S80, where clear visibility is essential for safe operation on roads. To prevent these risks, regularly check and maintain adequate washer fluid levels in your Volvo S80's reservoir. This simple maintenance step ensures optimal wiper function and promotes safer driving conditions. Older S80 II models can experience reservoir cracks due to road salt exposure, especially in snowy regions. Inspect the reservoir regularly for leaks. Replacing with an aftermarket stainless steel tank can prevent future corrosion issues. Consider using biodegradable washer fluids, which are environmentally friendly and reduce aquatic toxicity. Volvo endorses plant-based, low VOC options. Retrofitting to these fluids supports sustainability. Maintenance tips for the washer fluid system include checking fluid levels monthly with extra attention during winter months. Replace the washer fluid seasonally to maintain optimal cleaning performance. Regularly inspect hoses for cracks or damage. Flush the entire system annually to prevent algae buildup and ensure cleanliness. If any issues persist, consult a professional mechanic for assistance.